Everyone and welcome to officially unlock iPhone.com. In this video example I will show you how to factory unlock any iPhone model. Over here we have an iPhone 6 Plus which is currently locked to AT&T. I've just inserted a T-Mobile SIM card into this phone, and now because of this is an unsupported SIM card, this phone is now in activation mode. If your iPhone is in activation mode, simply click on this eye icon here at the bottom and you'll notice the IMEI number appears on the screen. If your iPhone is activated and you can go to the dial pad, simply go there and dial in *#06# and then you'll see your IMEI number of your phone. So once we have the IMEI number, the next step is to go to our website, www.officiallyunlockiphone.com. When you reach this website, you'll notice here a section on the right where you can actually enter the information of your phone. So for the IMEI number, you need to enter the IMEI number that appears on your phone. Of course, it has to be exactly as it appears. You cannot make any mistakes because we're going to have to know exactly which phone needs to be unlocked. For the model, you must select the correct model. And for the network, this is extremely important. You must select the correct service provider that your iPhone is currently locked to and purchased from. This iPhone is from AT&T, so I would select AT&T in my case. Once you're done, you can go ahead and place your order. I've already placed this order prior to doing this video and I received the results in my email. This is the type of email you should expect to see. You will get an email like this showing you the unique IMEI number of your phone and the status is unlocked. Now, once you're done and the status is unlocked, it means you can start with unlocking. You can either connect your iPhone to iTunes using a USB cable and iTunes will do the unlock for you, or if your iPhone has an internet connection, which I do over here, you can just continue with the steps with the activation itself and it will get activated and unlocked. So in this case, I'll use cellular data. Now it unlocks the phone. You can see it just communicated with Apple database, it unlocked the phone, and now it says here T-Mobile on the top. So it means now this phone is ready to work with the T-Mobile SIM card or any other SIM card you would insert into it. So that's it. The activation process is very simple to do and get through. And if you guys do have any questions, please always do feel free to visit our website, officiallyunlockiphone.com. We do offer chat, phone, and email support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we will always be glad to assist you. So thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful to you.